Hey, welcome to another video from Medical Gear Outfitters. Just want to kind of show you all the tourniquets that we currently stock here at MGO. Every single one of these has their advantages and has their disadvantages. So just want to kind of go through them. If you're looking for a tourniquet, this is probably the video to watch. I've got more in-depth videos on how to use every single one of them, but this is just going to be a quick overview. Number one is the cat tourniquet. We sell North American Rescue tourniquets. We have the black and the orange. Obviously, these are legit. Cat tourniquets, not the fake knockoffs. So the cat is obviously, everyone knows the cat tourniquet. We have the SAM XT. The SAM XT is nice. I like the fact that the pressure click right here. So when you get the band tight enough, this clicks. It makes an audible noise when you've got this strap tight enough. It has a metal windlass. So this is a good option for a tourniquet. It's a little bit bulkier than the cat, but it's close in size. The TX2 right here, we have the TX2 and the TX3 in stock. TX3 is going to be about 1 inch wider, so it's 3 inches wide. This one's good because you make the micro adjustments here, like a snowbinder buckle. For wilderness medicine, things like that, long-term care, where you're going to have a tourniquet on possibly for a long time, you can make micro adjustments here. So I like that. To me, it's a little more difficult one-handed application. But this is a good tourniquet for the micro adjustments. Like if you're gonna, because of swelling, things like that, you can make adjustments here. The TMT is another good option. Has a composite windlass. Flows very smooth through the buckle. A little bit wider here than say the cat. So this is another good option. Again, it's also on the recommendation list for the TCCC committee. The SWAT-T tourniquet, it's a good like EDC tourniquet. I feel like it's not going to be one-handed application, but it's a good tourniquet that can be used as a pressure bandage and for kids, things like that. It's not the best tourniquet out here, but it's a good EDC, a good overall one. The everyday carry tourniquet, ETQ tourniquet, this is the second generation. It's a good EDC tourniquet. It's a little bit narrower. Correction, sorry, we had the one that's a little bit narrower, but then we also have this one is the same width as the cat. It's a good EDC. This one is not on the recommendation list just because there's no data on it right now. No real world usage. No real data. There is some real world uses of it, but there again, the committee needs data. The SOFTT tourniquet is another good tourniquet. It's on the TCCC recommendation list here. Has a metal windlass. The buckle is now upgraded on this one. Flows nice and smooth. We have all the colors in stock for this one. So you can choose black, red, blue for trainer, and we always have a tan one. So multiple options here for tourniquets. Pick the one that you want. Like they all have their advantages and all have their disadvantages here, but you can choose which one you have, which one you'd like to stock. We have them in stock, ready to ship at medicalgearoutfitters.com.